Hey, how are you doing? Today we will show the PDF metadata editor. You can easily edit your PDF metadata by entering the bossconvertpro.com PDF metadata editor. Yes, we have ads, but it doesn't affect your work and doesn't make your job hard. You can click the easily. Select. I will select one. You can see here our PDF metadata. It is clean UI and you can select and change your modification date, creation date, and producer, creator, keyword, subject, author, and title easily. After that, for example, title, we can add resume and download PDF. We updated already. Now we check it is updated or not. Click the updated. It is updated already. You can easily update your PDF data. It is completely free and unlimited usage, and also it is secure. All things is happen in your browser, not outside the browser. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and website enter that we make like that free tools for you.